Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to reset your Microsoft Store but receive a file system error stating ms-windows store PurgeCaches, your app installation registry or cache permissions are corrupted, I will show you exactly how to bypass this error and fix the store right now. Let's get started. First, instead of using the broken command line tool, you should use the Windows graphical settings to safely clear the app cache. Open your Windows settings, select System from the left sidebar, and click on the System Components menu. Scroll down to locate Microsoft Store, click the three horizontal dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Click the Repair button to fix the core files, and then click the Reset button to forcefully clear the corrupted cache. Next, if the Settings menu fails, you must force Windows to completely rebuild the store's underlying application manifest. Right-click your Windows Start button and explicitly select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. Paste the exact long command provided in the video description and press Enter. Allow the script to execute completely and ignore any minor red text warnings that may flash on the screen. Finally, the PurgeCaches error is frequently triggered when a critical background authorization service is accidentally disabled in Windows. Open your Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SC space config space license manager space start equals demand and press Enter to ensure the Windows License Manager service can legitimately run. Type net start space license manager and press Enter to activate it. Then completely restart your computer to apply the fixes. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.